Hello students, today we are going to continue our lesson 1.3, the call of the soil, the scent of rice. We discussed in last period that writer was eager to sow the natural or traditional rice in his field. Okay, and that's why he was in search of such kind of the rice, and he come to know that the kasbai is a traditional crop of rice, and that's why he want to he want to search that kasbai. But when he search for that, he comes to know that it had disappeared. Okay, now we are going to continue another lesson on page another passage on page number 28, and last passage is there. The tale of the kasbai made us more determined to get it. बट वेन द टेल ऑफ द स्टोरी ऑफ दैट कसबाई के बारे में जब उन्होंने सुना तो उनकी और इच्छा हो गई, वो डिटरमाइंड, ही वॉज वेरी डिटरमाइंड टू गेट इट. वी डिसाइडेड दैट इफ वी डिड मैनेज टू गेट सम सीड्स, दिस वुड बी a great rice to grow. They decided that if they get some seeds of kasbai, then they would be great rice of the rice to grow. I thought the government may know something about it, and according to this, we can say that the writer had thought that government may know about the kasbai, and that's why a visit to agriculture officer was enlightening. When he visit to the agriculture officer, then he gives greater knowledge and understanding about it. He had not even heard of this rice variety, but the agriculture officer did not know about the rice that kasbai. He said the villagers were taking me for ride, and there was no rice by this name. He said that villagers only tricking him, that the kasbi is there, but there was no rice by this name. He rattled off the names of the number of latest hybrid and even offered to give me some of the. एक सेकेंड, हाँ, मेरा पैसेज पीछे छूट गया. He rattled off the names of the numbers of latest hybrid and even offered to give me some of them free of cost for the trial. When the writer visit to the agriculture officer, that agriculture officer informed writer that there was no rice by this name, that kasbai, and he tell some hybrid name of the of that rice, and writer, and he also offered writer to give him some of the seeds, and free of cost for a trial. Cursing myself for wasting time with him, I moved on the next destination. But writer curse himself, and because he think that it was a waste of time to meet that agriculture officer, and that's why he moved on the next destination in search of kasbai. Okay, then this time it was the Adivasi Mahamandal Kasa, which buy rice from the Adivasi villagers on behalf of the government. Kasbai did not figure in their files. Thereafter, after he dissatisfied with the agriculture officer, then he visited the Adivasi Mahamandal at Kasa. It was the place where the Adivasi Mahamandal is there, which buy rice from the Adivasi villagers on behalf of the government. Okay, Kasbai did not figure in their files, but there is no notification about the Kasbi in their files. A good indication why people did not grow it anymore. The market itself did not recognize the rice, so if you grew it, you would not be able to sell it. There they get knowledge about the kasbai, and if market itself did not know about kasbai, then if you grew that kasbai, you would not be able to sell it. ओके लोगों को अगर पता ही नहीं है तो लोग कस्बाई नाम का जो राइस है वो कैसे खरीदी करेंगे. तो इसलिए उन्हें बोला गया कि जो मार्केट में जिसका नाम ही पता नहीं, वो अगर आप ग्रो भी करते हो तो आपका सेल नहीं होगा. However, the officer in charge here had more knowledge of rice and remember Kasbai being sold to him a few years ago. बट वहाँ पे जो इंचार्ज था उसने बताया, उसे याद था कि कभी तो भी उसने कस्बाई नाम का जो प्रोडक्ट है, सॉरी राइस है, उसने खरीदी किया था. Okay, so when I in Dhanivari, Baban and I started looking for Dev Handa and found a graying old man wearing a cap. It was his outlooking. Okay, sitting outside the house of the Charpai. Okay, thereafter the writer go to the Dhanvari. Baban was with him and they started they looking for Dev Handa, and he was sitting in front of his house on Chaupai, and he was a very old man wearing a cap and sitting outside his village. An sarpanch of the village, he had acres of land and huge house and large family. He was the ex-sarpanch of that village. He had acres of land and large family. After exchanging the usual pleasantries, we came to the topic of Kasbai. After some discussion, they come to the topic of Kasbai. The mayor mention of the Kasbai and Devhanda drifted into past. As writer started to discuss about Kasbai, then the person Devhanda drifted into the past. He goes into the past. His eyes turned dreamy, and with a tremble in his voice, he told us how the entire village at once time grew only Kasbai. Devhanda likes Kasbai very much, and that's why when the writer asked him about Kasbai, then he drifted into the past. His eyes were turned dreamy, and he told writer that entire village at that time grew only and only Kasbai. He said there was the time when people passing our village during lunch time would be forced to stop and ask for meal. Such was the alluring aroma of Kasbai. Okay, he give information to the writer that there was a time when people passing their village during lunch time, they would force to stop because of the smell of Kasbai, aroma of the kasbai. The entire area would have this heady aroma hanging in the air as all the houses cooked in the same rice. ओके, द एंटायर जो वहाँ का जो क्या कहेंगे उसे, जो एरिया था, वहाँ पे पूरा जब घरों में जब कस्बाई का जो कुक किया जाता था, कस्बाई को कुक किया जाता था, तो वहाँ पे पूरे एरिया में जो कस्बाई का एरोमा था वो फैल जाता था, और लोगों को वो कस्बाई का एरोमा सुनकर ही उनको पता चलता था कि पूरे गांव में कस्बाई का हो रहा है, क्या बोलेंगे उसे, राइस पकाया जा रहा है. ओके, ओके, देन टुडे ही सेड Today he said no one grew kasbai, but he again informed the writer that that day, no person grew kasbai. Everyone had shifted to the growing of new hybrid varieties. Everyone wanted to get more crop of the rice, and that's why they were shifted to the hybrid variety. And he claimed he had forced himself to eat this rice that was the inspired. Okay, so it was his force. He claimed he had to force himself, वो खुद को भी फोर्स कर रहा था to eat this rice that was so इंस्पिडी. आया समझ में? अब उसे भी क्योंकि कस्बाई पूरे गांव में खाया जाता था, लेकिन अब उसका भी नाइलाज था, उसे भी ये कस्बाई छोड़ के अब हाइब्रिड राइस खाना पड़ रहा था. समझ में आया? इंस्पाइट का अर्थ होगा टेस्टलेस. टेस्टलेस जिसे बोलेंगे, टेस्टलेस, TASTELESS, टेस्टलेस. ओके, एंड हेडी का मतलब होगा क्या कहेंगे उसे, स्ट्रॉन्ग. स्ट्रॉन्ग. ओके, और एल्यूरिंग का मतलब टेम्पटिंग. ओके, तो यहाँ पे ये पैसेज खत्म हो गया। उसके बाद आगे का हम आगे के पैसेज भी देखिए लास्ट में। अरे एक सेकेंड, हाँ इसमें कुछ ग्रामेटिकल सेंटेंसेस है जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे। जैसे कि when I in the Dev Dhanivari, Baban and I started looking for Devhanda. Devhanda, okay. As soon as का यूज करना है, यूज as soon as, आपको यहाँ पे as soon as यूज करना है। उसके बाद एक सेकेंड ना। ओके, आप पहला पैसेज देखेंगे। इट वॉज द आदिवासी महामंडल एट कासा। दिस टाइम इट वॉज द आदिवासी महामंडल। यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन टैग करना है। कस्बाई डिड नॉट फिगर इन देयर फाइल। यहाँ पे आपको अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना है। ओके, उसके बाद आपको अंडरलाइन करना है सबऑर्डिनेट क्लास से, क्लास को यहाँ पे, ठीक है। नाउ